Hello, everyone. You are welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing easy and simple ways of making mouth-watering and delicious trifles and steak at home in the comfort of your kitchen. So sit back, relax and enjoy the culinary adventure with us. First off, we are diving into the complete guide to crafting delicious trifles at home in the comfort of your own kitchen. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Here we go. The complete guide to crafting delicious trifles in your own kitchen. First method of making trifles. To start, you'll need to prepare some custard. Once your custard is ready and cooled down, it's time to move on to the next layer. This recipe uses cake from the store, but feel free to bake your own if you prefer. Just make sure to cut it into smaller pieces so that it fits nicely on top of the trifle bowl. Now comes the fun part: layering. Start with some strawberries or raspberries at the bottom of your trifle bowl. Then add some cake pieces on top. Next up is vanilla custard, just pour it over the cake pieces. The next layer should be jam, pick your favorite flavor. Finally, we reach the top with some whipped cream and more cake pieces. And there you have it, a delightful trifle that's sure to impress your taste buds and everyone. I hope you enjoyed this first sweet tutorial as much as we did creating and eating this trifle. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Next up is the second method of making trifles at home in the comfort of your kitchen. Here we go. Here we will be sharing the second method of making trifles at home in the comfort of your kitchen. Trifles are a classic dessert that can be enjoyed by family and friends at any occasion. Here's what you'll need. 1. Ladyfingers, about 1/2 package. 2. Strawberries, for garnish. 3. Raspberries, for garnish. 4. Vanilla pudding, prepared. 5. Heavy whipping cream, prepared. 6. Lemonade or orange juice. 7. Cake Baileys or any other liqueur of your choice. 8. White cake, any size. 9. Gelatin, prepared. 10. Vanilla extract. 11. Sugar. 12. Chocolate syrup, for garnish. Now, let's start by dipping the ladyfingers into lemonade or orange juice and layering them in a trifle bowl. Next, add a layer of vanilla pudding and another layer of heavy whipping cream that has been mixed with Cake Baileys or any other liqueur of your choice. Follow this up with some fresh strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Then prepare some gelatin by mixing it with white cake and vanilla extract, adding sugar to sweeten it up if needed. Finally, top it off with chocolate syrup for an indulgent touch. And there you have it, a mouth-watering trifle ready to be served. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Next up is the third method of making trifles at home in the comfort of your kitchen. Here we go. First up, we need to get our berries ready. You can use any type of berry you prefer. We're going to cook them with a little bit of sugar and cornstarch to create a delicious sauce. Then, we'll pour that over the cake layers in our trifle. Next, let's talk about the cake layer. It doesn't have to be homemade, store-bought cake works just fine. Cover it with vanilla pudding, followed by whipped cream. The key is to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours before serving. This way, the layers will set nicely, and you can enjoy a perfect trifle every time. The best part? Trifles are perfect for feeding a crowd. Since they don't require baking in individual ramekins, you can make one big trifle and feed a whole group of people easily. Plus, it has such a pretty layer presentation that your guests will be wowed by your culinary skills. So there you have it, folks. That's how to make a delicious trifle that everyone will love. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Next up is how to make steak at home in the comfort of your own kitchen. Introduction to steak. Hey everyone! Welcome back to this wonderful culinary adventure of making steak at home. Now we are going to show you how to make the perfect steak at home. Your taste buds will thank you later. Have fun. First things first, let's talk about seasoning. When it comes to steak, simple is best. You only need salt and pepper. Just remember not to rush the process and let the steak sit for a bit before cooking. This allows the salt to penetrate the meat and help it retain its juices during cooking. Now, let's get cooking. We prefer using a cast iron skillet for this recipe because it gives a fantastic sear on both sides of the steak. Make sure your pan is nice and hot before adding some avocado or coconut oil. Don't worry about the smoke. It's all part of the process. Once you see a good sear on both sides, it's time to turn down the heat and finish cooking. For medium rare doneness, cook each side for about 45 seconds to a minute. Flip your steak once, then place it in an oven at 400 degrees for approximately 6 minutes, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit using an instant read thermometer. Finally, let your steak rest for 5 minutes before serving and enjoying every delicious bite. And there you have it. Now you know how to make a delectable steak right in your own kitchen. So go ahead and give this recipe a try. We guarantee it will become one of your favorites in no time. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Next up is the second method of making steak at home in the comfort of your kitchen. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the second method of making steak at home. So sit back and enjoy as we dive into making this mouth-watering recipe. First things first, start with a cold steak and use a paper towel to pat it dry. Then, season both sides generously with salt and let it sit for about 45 minutes. This step is crucial as it allows the salt to draw out any moisture from the surface of the meat. Trust us, you'll taste the difference. Now, for those who prefer a thinner cut of meat, here's what we recommend. Place your knife at a 45-degree angle and slice downwards. Keep slicing until you feel resistance or a sudden give. That's when you know you've hit the bone. After removing the first piece, repeat the process until you've gotten all the pieces you want. Next up, let's talk about cooking time. For a perfect medium rare steak, cook each side for 1 minute and 30 seconds using a cast iron skillet over high heat. Don't forget to add some oil to the pan before cooking and flip the steak once. To test doneness, use your index finger to press down on the steak. If it feels like pressing down on raw meat, it's ready. Once your steak is cooked to perfection, let it rest for about 3 minutes before slicing into it. This step is essential because if you don't let it rest, all that delicious juice will come flying out of the steak like water out of a hydrant. Remember this golden rule: cook once, rest twice. And there you have it, folks. Following these simple tips will help you make some mouth-watering steaks at home in no time. So go ahead and try them out. Who knows? Maybe one day your family will even beg you not to go back to restaurants because your steaks are too good. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.